Archaeologist. I'm ready! Which profession should I take up? Archaeologist. Let's go! Hi, I'm Archaeologist Kiki. There are many precious cultural relics hidden underground. Let's find the cultural relics together. There are cultural relics here. Let's find them together. Use a detector to find the cultural relics buried underground. There are cultural relics here. Use the magnifying glass to find the cultural relics. There are cultural relics here. Break open the rock and find the cultural relics. The newly excavated cultural relics are dirty. Let's clean them up first.